YouTube channel. I am Chude Victor, and today I want to take you through our weekly review. Alright, so it was a great week. Unlike last week, we were able to catch some beautiful entries, which I believe was very useful. This was an error. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of how we caught this entry. Uh, Maybe because of how the market has been lately, we were just a bit into one, two, three, one, two, three, four, five, and six. So we caught just six entries during the week, of which I think only one was one just gave a few pips before it went for inducement. Okay, so we're going to look at how we made our conclusions into this entry. You see that most of the entries I took this week was selling entries, and I was not doing more of buys, I was doing more of sales. Then it was just only this particular scalp which I did during the London session on Thursday that happens to be the buy entry. All our entries are selling entries. Okay, so now I just want to look at I'm going to say a few about our top-down analysis, which brought about the idea of us going more bearish than bullish. So when we looked at the markets from what we can so we went from 1 week time frame to the lower time frame. So from this 1 week time frame, when you look at these markets, you will find that markets was a little bit ranging. You can see it was more like a bearish market from this side, and then there was a range at this side before it went bearish, and then a range, and then went bearish, and then it's currently ranging. When you look at the next lower time frame, which is the 24 hours time frame, you see that market is actually bearish, went this way, bearish, went this way. Okay, so this is basically a bearish market. How do you discover that? Watch this. That's the high, right? And then we made a low, right? And then we made another high which couldn't break the former high. Okay, and then we have something like this, right? And then like this. So if you look at the current move that the market has made, you'll see that market has not been able to take out the previous high, and this current movement has not also taken out the previous. So market is still bearish, and on this side is ranging. Okay, so this is what top-down analysis will help you do. We want to be using top-down analysis now to be able to spot all the necessary things or expressive spots in the market. So when you go down to 4-hour time frame, there you will see that we are still bearish, even though in this 4-hour time frame you will see some ranging move. Okay, so this is a bearish move from the buy stop liquidity downward to the sell stop liquidity, and price began to go upward, and then price got to this side where price is ranging. Okay, but the main important thing to pay attention to is that market has been bearish, went up on a buy, not able to take out the previous high. Market seemed to be going bearish again. Okay, so it's from this time frame we go down to 1 hour, and then we look at we study the bearish move and see that the range is quite in this region. and then we now go into our entry time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame, that we now begin to spot our entries, and we then begin to make entries. Now if you look in recent move, you find that, like, if you do a good back testing, you find that price made a major bearish move here. Price made a major bearish move from here to this point. Okay, and these are several pips. If you can calculate from here to here, this is about 190 pips. Okay, and then when you come to this side, you calculate from here to here, you see that this is at 262 pips. So this is the kind of moves we want to be catching in the market. We want to catch the long moves, and that's what one thing top-down analysis is going to do for you. If you're someone you're planning to be highly profitable in the market, then this is how you should see the market. This is 162, and then during the course of the week we decided to use the bearish top-down analysis, which we had already done, to spot bearish move. This one started from here actually, but we couldn't confirm until here. Okay, so I think when we cut from here, we could say okay, maybe we cut from here to here, that's 50, 51, but we eventually cut from here to here, 33, and it gave us massive profits, and the other ones too. So when you have seen that the GBP USD is bearish, if you want to give yourself a confirmation by going to DXY, you find that DXY automatically will be bullish. Okay, or you can actually start your top-down analysis from DXY, which is the dollar index, and then once you see that the dollar index is being maybe either bullish, if it's bullish, then just know that GU, which is our currency pair, will be bearish. Then if it is bearish, that's the dollar index, then know that our GU will be bullish. So if you look at the 1 week time frame for the dollar index, you see that the dollar index is actually ranging at this side, but you see that it went bullish recently. Then when you look at the 24-hour, you see the bullish move I just explained. You see that price, you can see there's a double top here, where recently price are taking out the previous high, and then currently ranging, of which we don't know, it depends, but this is actually a bullish move. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the GU. If you draw this former high, okay, you give the low, you see that the low did not take out the previous low. You will now find that the second high took out the previous high, confirming the trend and confirming the bullish move, and then the low was not taken out, did not take out the previous low, and this is where we are, where price is currently ranging. So this automatically tells you that the DXY is on the bullish move. So okay, this is the 24 hours time frame. We're going to go down to the 4-hour time frame so I can show you a little bit more. From the 4-hour time frame, you will see that price for DXY is ranging at this side, and it's actually okay, it's ranging here. Okay, that means market is taking a new direction, which is still on the bull move. Okay, until price hits this side of the liquidity, before we know that price might take the bearish move. You go to the 1-hour time frame, you see that our confirmation for the bulls driving the market is actually right. You can see it's bullish change of character, break of structure, change of character. So this DXY is automatically on a bullish move. You look at our entry time frame, you see that the bulls are actually driving this market, even though the market is ranging at this side. So you're going to catch, as at last week, there are more bearish moves than this week because of the range drop down a little bit on this side, but still at that, going bullish on GU is not a wrong decision. Going bearish, on GU, since DXY is bullish, is not a wrong decision, and that's how we were able to come about our entries in this 15 minutes time frame. I think this particular review that I did now using top-down analysis explains a lot more for us. Now if you're wondering how am I going to do top down analysis, I've done a video which I titled my simplified top down analysis. I made it simple. Right, so how did we do these entries? Remember, we have our factors, which is news, trends, cycle levels. So in confirming these entries, all we need to do is to find out if these factors are in for us. Then we consider taking entries. So I'm going to bring the factors close. So we have news, trends. So you're going to find out if there's news. If there's news, then we're not going to take any entry. We're going to wait either after the news or find if we have enough time before the news to take entries. Then we're going to look out for trend. You can see this trend coming from a high time frame. It's telling you that there might be a confirmation here. Then psychological level, you could see that this is on the psychological level. Then there's a price action line just at this point. Okay, and then this is neither sell by region, but from this side to this side will be in a sell region. Then volume, we looked at the volume and saw that the bears going to move the market, and then this pattern is an M pattern. And remember, anytime there's an M pattern, it signifies bearish move, and anytime there's a W pattern, because this move gave a W pattern, then know that the bulls are going to move, and that's what happened here. So that was how we got this entry. Okay, and that's how we got this other entry. Okay, then of course, you know, we are going more bearish this week, and you can see all our entries are bearish entries, but we went in bullish on this side because we had a confirmation of a break of structure here, and the London was going to give a move before it closes, so we're able to spot a scalp entry, which we targeted for a stop loss of just about 8 pips or 9 pips, and we targeted a profit of about 19 pips, which is a good 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And then we never knew that the bulls were going to drive the market up to this extent. But as a professional trader, remember, your goal is not to catch every move. Your goal is to catch the move that has been confirmed by you, so you are not victimized by the market movement. So it is still using this entry confirmation that we caught this bearish move here, which gave us a massive profit. And imagine us catching up to, from this point to this point, we caught about 77 pips. Then this one that reversed, we caught just about just a few of 11 pips, right? 11 pips, right? Okay, 12 pips. Then the last entry, which was towards the close of the market on Friday, we caught just about 27 pips, which was a good recovery in case for people who lost in this particular entry that gave induced movements. Okay, so that's the basic things we did in the course of the week. And what's our review here? For those of you in the mentorship platform, you notice I called this a fake change of character. Okay, anytime you see a fake change of character, just know that the market is on the ranging side, and imagine after another bullish change of character, price then goes bearish. Okay, so these are fake change of characters. You see them appear many times, multiple times, change of character, change of character, change of character, because market is actually ranging. Okay, so it is with this particular kind of review I will be able to tell you that this coming week we're going to make millions. Okay, we're going to make millions of naira, and I want you to get your minds ready so that we can be able to do this together. How are we going to do this? We're going to use beautiful top-down analysis principle to either spot the bearish move or the bullish move. Then on Monday I'm going to be telling you if we'll be going with more bears or more bulls, so that we can catch this market move. And we're going to be looking out for a long move like this. Then I also taught you on managing your trade, and in just one move, if you use a good trade management skill and a good risk management skill, you'll find that you'll be able to make even more profit than you ever expected to make. So that's what we're going to be looking at for the coming week, so that we can be able to make a lot of money for ourselves in this forex and crypto market. Thank you very much for spending our time to be a part of this review for today. I want you to be attentive and watch out for the weekly analysis coming up on Monday, and then I want you to get ready, as we're going to be winning in the market all through next week and making a lot of money. So see you next week. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.